Okay, my friends, today is a very special day. Today is Tuesday, January 29th, 2019, and it's an awesome day. It's cold in here, it's 61. It's about 51 outside, so at least it's 10 degrees warmer in here. But yeah, today's an awesome day. Why? Because my painting is finished. Yes, the painting is finished. So what am I going to do? I bought screws yesterday, so I'm going to start hanging doors. And I found this at a store. That is really cute. It's 2 pieces. So that'll be really cute on the outside of these doors. Okay, so let's get busy. Let's get my screws. I bought screws yesterday, and I bought some plywood because I plan on fixing the little corner spots in the front. I'm not doing the corner spots today, but I went ahead and picked up the plywood. And I still have to get some insulation before I can do that, because I have to put the insulation down on the floor underneath there. Okay, so, oh, this is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to get started. Here's my box of latches. Okay, I got the front cabinet doors hung. And it's a good thing I'm going for a little bit of a rustic look too, because these are definitely rustic. So what I had to do was line it up, because one of these was bent and it wasn't lining up right once I screwed it in. So I lined another one up on it. And then there's little magnet catches that go on the ceiling. These are the magnet catches. They're pretty yellowed. I put one up to the ceiling and thought, oh no, I don't like the looks of that at all after all this work. Actually, I could buy new ones of these too. I did see them at Home Depot. But I think I'll spray paint these. I'll just spray paint them white. And there we go. That's the view of them from a little distance. Now to do the others. I think I'll hang my big doors next, because they're big and kind of in the way. So, hinges on first. I'll put the screw in a little way to line it up. And then I'll get the other screw, line it up with that bottom hole there. And we'll get this done. What the heck is my camera doing? So grainy. We're getting there. All the kitchen cabinets are hung. Latches are all on. Hinges, all that. Not going to put these in yet, because I still need to test the plumbing, and I need to run my cable underneath and under that section, and also still get the electrical done over here, so the stove won't be going in yet either. But the way I'm finding to get these latches on the easiest is these little things. So I'm just gonna, there we go. And then we'll push the door, line it all up, and put the screws in. If you're planning on renovating a Silver Streak, a 28-foot Silver Streak with lots of cabinets, make sure you have lots of screws. I have just used my number 200 screws, and I just opened another packet. I'm not going to need another 100, but I'll still be using a few of them. Amazing. But there's a lot of latches. and a lot of screws. Okay, this is going to be kind of grainy because I'm using a cell phone. But look, got them. I still have the bottom drawer, the bottom panel, side panel. I have to make a bottom panel for that part, and a door for there. So, I'll go to my phone again. So, yeah, I'll come down tomorrow and work some more. Of course, those drawers are just in there temporarily because I still need to deep clean under here and run the wiring through here. And then I will have to build a platform for the oven. But I want to get the electrical done before I put the oven back in. Oh yeah, before I even do any of that, I have to rebuild a back wall. Oh well, details, details. Oh, this is so great though. I have all my door latches on. This one does not want to line up right. I don't know. I guess I'll have to just keep messing with it. Maybe it's something's off kilter. But this is one that had been broken before, and that had to be moved up. That shouldn't really make that much of a difference. But something's not quite lining up right. Oh, I see, I see. Well, no, there's no way. Oh, well, I'll figure it out. I'll just have to maybe even just bend. Oh, that is bent. Now that I look at it, that's the problem. Okay, I'll just replace that one. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Look at that. Oh, the door latches are on. Awesome. I still had to clean out my little vent hole things and put them back in. That one I painted over. I probably should have done that with all of them. Okie dokie. I really like the way this is turning out. Okay, I'll come down tomorrow and get some better pictures.